should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Riding a super train, yay, yay, yay. On the train tracks, UBUBA. I want to be a driver, chuga, chuga, choo, choo, choo. Delivering some food to you, chuga, chuga, choo, choo, choo. Choo, 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 clickety clack.
Good job!
Oh no, it's raining.
Whoa! Sunny! Rainy! Yeah! Aha!
Good job. Hey!
Aw.
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy.
Wow! Ew!
Sharing is caring.
Ew!
Helping a friend feels so great.
Yeah!
You are,
Aha!
you are my little friend. When
Woohoo! Hello, Sunny! Wow! Yes!
Magic water toy. It takes the colors away. All I
Green!
have to do is splash, splash this way.
Snowy!
I lost my perfect color. What can I do? Green, green color. Where are you? Magic fruits will help me now. Red or pink, yellow or blue, purple, green. Which one to choose? I'll pick green, green, pink, 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 yellow, yellow, yeah. Black, black, black. You be, yeah. My pretty pink painting won't went wrong, and you're not pretty anymore.
Whoa! Ew!
Strawberry colors around the
Great!
We can like whatever we want.
Yeah!
I believe this is your kite. Oh, you're a hero, an honest-to-goodness hero.
I have to admit, Ellery, I didn't think you could do it. This deserves a delicious meal at the Buttercup.
I heard you earned this.
If you all insist.
We do, Super Chipmunk.
Oh, it's you again.
It was amazing to watch.
That's so.
Oh, any chipmunk could have done what I did. Not as well as me, naturally. But we are powerful climbers, even when it's windy.
I think you're even more powerful than the wind.
What?
Definitely.
So you could help me with your powers? You could stop the wind for me?
Sure.
I'll meet you in the meadow this afternoon. You'll stop the wind, I'll grow new flowers, and then I can have my blue petals. Bye!
Thorn, you have really outdone yourself with this lunch. Would you fetch me some more sunflower seeds from the kitchen?
Of course, anything.
Well, now I've heard everything. You can stop the wind.
Wherever did you hear that?
You just told Lilac that you can control the wind. You're supposed to meet her this afternoon in the meadow.
Oh, that. It's no big deal for a chipmunk with my skills. Thorn, that was delicious, but I really must go. Goodbye. You bird! Oh, why did I ever agree to get down that kite? I could be in my normal spot right now, trying to sneak into Thorn's kitchen. Not called a hero, and certainly not expected to stop the wind. But if I go home right now, I won't get in any more trouble, and in a few days this will all blow over. Yes, that's what I'll do!
Hello? Is that you, Ellery?
What are you doing here?
I came after you to bring you the sunflower seeds when the wind knocked me into this hole. And, well, now I can't get up. Lucky you found me. I could have been stuck here for a long time. Thank you.
No need to thank me. It's not as if I ended up in this hole on purpose.
Wait until everyone hears that you were a hero. Again!
I suppose it wouldn't hurt for them to all know.
When I get back to the village, I'm going to tell Cap and Moss and Daffodil and
Thorn. Don't forget Thorn. He doesn't like to be left out.
he'll probably insist on making you a special dinner.
Oh, he will, won't he? All right then. How are we going to get you back on your feet? Let's try this.
Oh, thank you, Ellery. You saved my life.
Let's not get carried away. Someone would have found you in that hole. Someday. The wind is still strong, but let's get back to the village. I'll protect you, young fellow in a shell.
Oh, I thought you were Ellery. Has anyone seen him yet? Is he already in the meadow?
No, but there's something you have to see.
Close your eyes. It's a surprise.
You can open your eyes now.
Cornflowers! They're beautiful! Did Ellery stop the wind so you could grow these for me?
No, the wind stopped on its own. But first, it did something incredible. It blew the seeds from the cornflowers we planted earlier all the way over here.
Now can you stop being mad at the wind and have lunch with us?
You two go ahead. I want to stay with these beautiful flowers a little more.
Everyone, guess what? I fell into a hole and Ellery saved me again. And he brought me back here in all this wind. Oh, boy.
Ellery, I can admit when I'm wrong. Yes, you are a hero after all. Come have some lunch.
As much as it pains me to refuse, I have to say no. There's someone I need to see.
Hi, Ellery. Isn't this blue color pretty? I made it from the cornflower petals.
Ah, very nice. So you finally collected your petals, which means I won't have to stop the wind now.
Oh, definitely not. We need the wind in the springtime. Not just for seeds, but all kinds of things in nature.
That's just as well, because between us, I'm not sure that my wind powers are working today.
That's okay, Ellery. In fact, if you think about it, the springtime wind is the real hero today.
Hero? I don't know if I'd go that far.
Hey, Lilac, the wind's picking up again. You want to go kite flying with us?
Sure!
Do you want to come, Ellery?
No, thank you, Guillaume. But go on, enjoy your new hero, the wind.
I changed my mind. Save me a plate. Save me a plate.
He knows my name. Bye, Ellery!